In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the persona on the Character AI app. It is a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, open the Character AI app, just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now you can find the recent chats just right here. Now to change the persona, tap onto one of the chats, just like this. And after opening the chat, simply tap onto the profile icon just right here. Then scroll down and here you can find the option of persona just right here. Now simply tap on it. Now to change the persona, simply create a new one. Now tap on it and name it just like this. You can also add the description and tap on to default for all chats like here. And now you can see you have changed the persona and simply tap on to save changes. And now you can see the persona has been added. And that's it. This is how you can change persona in the Character AI app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.